Show you how you can add article sliders like these inside of any Shopify theme in just under 2 minutes here. They look fantastic on desktop and also on mobile as well too. Now, the way that these work is if we hover over one of them using our inspector tool, you'll notice that we have a few different layers on the left-hand side here. First off, we have the section layer. Then we have the article layer. Inside the article layer, you will just need to select a blog after you have created one. So right now I have a blog created and I've just selected it and then decided that I want to render out 6 articles from this blog, inside of here. Also, I've just added in a heading and adjusted the colors a little bit. But we also have full control over the cards, so we can actually edit the date and the title, and we can even drag and drop in more blocks if we would like to later on. So we could actually also drag in author and so much more good stuff. Now, this is added through an app called Flexi that you can get on the Shopify App Store. Full transparency, I'm a freelancer and I used to charge well over $1,000 to build each section. And I've created this library for sliders specifically that you can get for just $12 a month for your first 10 sliders installs. So once the app is installed, you'll just want to go into the app and open it up. And you can actually just filter it down to blog articles or search here. And the sliders that I was showing you is called Article Slider 1, Article Slider 2, and Article Slider 3. So you can add any of these sections to your theme by just hitting the Add Section button after you select your theme and hit Save. Now, a useful tip that I also want to highlight is once the section's installed, you'll want to style it to match your brand. And there's a bunch of really great settings built into Flexi here. So the first one is if you highlight over your section, so the outermost layer, you can actually go and select your Horizon or Dawn theme or a custom theme if you're using one. If you're using a custom theme, you can inspect your theme, and if you know a little bit of code, you can add in the correct class name so that it perfectly aligns with your theme page width. If you're not a developer, you can gladly reach out to our support and someone will help you with that spacing. But by default, we just have it set to fixed or full, just so that it spans a nice width over here. Also, a really useful setting to note is in each one of the layouts or blocks, you can actually go into customize to expose more settings. And you can also go down into developer mode if you want to add in your own custom class names or CSS. That's all for this video. If you're interested in learning more about actively working inside the Shopify theme customizer to build themes, I highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, cheers.